Rain is falling on the roof again tonight. Makes me think, makes me drift, makes me lose my mind. Sipping bottles one by one till morning comes. Life gets heavy, yeah, it hits you when it does. Maybe I should just slide down before my head starts spinning round. Let the night just pass me by. Every day they question me like it's always my mistake to see why they always act this way, blaming me for yesterday. Money's never enough to spend, can't even call or meet a friend. Stuck between what I can't change. So I just sit here wondering how it all keeps circling. Rain on the rooftop falling down, drowning every single sound. Nothing really's changing now. Same old life, same old town. Try to laugh it off somehow, but it's hard to fake it now. So I close my eyes again, let the rain just drown it out. Let the rain just drown it out. Out of beer, so coffee's next. Trying anything to forget. No direction, no escape, just another wasted day. Lazy life, no way ahead. Empty thoughts inside my head. No small wins, no simple joy. Radio plays the same old songs. TV's on but nothing's on. Old comics lying on the floor. No one's calling anymore. If I try to make a call, coins are never enough at all. So I just sit here on my own. Feet just moving to a random beat. Don't even know the melody. When the rain finally fades away, what's there left for me to say? Maybe nothing's gonna change. Maybe it just stays the same. So I'll lay down, close my eyes. Rain on the rooftop falling slow, washing things I'll never know. Nothing really changes though, still the same tomorrow. So I let it all just fade, every thought just drift away. While the rain keeps falling on my rooftop again.